Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, the last Thursday of February. And it means that I'm here to announce to you who the winners of our Special Learning Awards are. Now, your teachers have found it very, very difficult again. They did say to me, please, do we have to choose just one? They said everyone's worked hard. So if you don't get a badge this month, I want you to know that your hard work definitely has been noticed by your teachers, and they're very proud of you all. Now, we can't wait to see you in just over a week, but between now and then, keep up that hard work because it really is making a difference. Your teachers are really seeing the progress that you're making with your learning and how you're all owning your learning. It's really hard when your teachers aren't there with you to give you that constant feedback. It's just not the same. We do know that. But you are making progress, so well done. Now, what I thought I'd do today is I've written down the winners on pieces of paper. So I'm going to hold them up and you can see them. And on the back, I've written down what your teachers have said. I've chosen some nice, bright, spring-coloured paper because spring is definitely on the way. I've just moved to a new house, and in my garden, I can see lots of signs of spring. I can see all the birds that are coming out. I've got birds that are building nests in the garden. And I've even got a squirrel that comes and eats the bird food from my garden. So here we go. Here is our first winner. And it's Herbie in Owlets. Your teachers have said, Herbie, they're so impressed with you. You're a really, really good listener. And you have a go at everything that you're asked to do, which isn't easy because we don't always want to do everything, do we? Especially when there's lots of choice. But you always do as you've been asked and have a go. So well done you. In Badger's class, your teacher has nominated Rammie. And she's really impressed, Rammie, with your writing and your book about monster trucks. She says she can see how you're using your phonics to do some really good writing. Well done, Rammie. Miss Solomon has nominated Georgia, and she said Georgia has been spending lots of time on reading eggs, and because of this she's made really good progress with her reading. She always attends Zoom lessons and she has a fantastic positive attitude. So well done, Georgia. In year 1, Mrs. Geary is nominated Oliver, and she said, well done, Oliver. You've been trying really hard and you've answered lots of questions and you've persevered when it's been tricky. You haven't given up. Well done, Oliver. In our other year 1 classroom, Owen has been noticed, and Mrs. Blount and Mrs. Beaton have said, you have been working really hard at home. You've been an active participant on Zoom and you're keen to challenge yourself. Well done. Both of your teachers have said they've seen your enjoyment and enthusiasm, which is lovely, Owen. Well done. In year 2, we have 2 boys. Mrs. Buttress has noticed Toby, and she has said you have been working super hard. You listen really well and have been super resilient. So well done, Toby. Mrs. Forstick, here we are. Ooh. William, well done, William. During your phonics and your maths sessions, you have shown such perseverance. And because you haven't given up, Mrs. Forstick has really noticed a difference in your progress. She said you're making really good progress, especially with your maths. So well done, William. In year 3, we've got 2 girls now. Mr. Macram has noticed Layna Mia. He has said, brilliant participation during Zoom. You're often on the leaderboards due to your dedication to reading eggs and excellent work in DT producing a lava lamp. Well done. I'm sure that Mrs. Dixon will be really keen to see that. And then in 3D, we have Amelia. And your teacher has said, this is for your dedication to your learning. You have continually tried your hardest and demonstrated a fantastic understanding in all areas. Well done, Amelia. We can't ask any more than that. If you've tried your hardest, that is fantastic. In year 4, Miss Scott has chosen Zach. And there's 2 reasons, Zach. One of them is because you make her smile every day, which is lovely. She said you've got such a positive attitude, it's wonderful. But you also try your hardest and you participate during live lessons. Well done, Zach. Now, whilst Mr. Seaman is recovering and getting better, Miss Scott has been also working really hard to make sure that Mr. Seaman's class continue to learn and make good progress. And she has noticed that Emily has been doing a great job on Zoom. She's participated, she's worked hard, and she has also shared some fantastic work. So well done, Emily. In year 5, we have a boy and we have a girl. We have a boy in 5MW, and this is for Riley. And your teachers have said you have worked with constant diligence during the last half term. You have engaged well and shared your learning with your teachers. Your spelling has greatly improved. And because you have worked so hard, you got 24 out of 25 on your spelling test. Well done, Riley. That is such good news. And it just goes to show that if you work really hard, you will notice a difference. In 5Q, I really like this one page. Your teacher has said you follow your timetable diligently, you've worked hard in all tasks, you ask questions to check you're on the right track. That's really important. You've enjoyed reading a range of books and have challenged yourself, especially during maths lessons. Well done, Paige. That sounds like an all-round success. And then last but not least, we have year 6. And in 6L, we have Ben. Mr. Locke says, you are very enthusiastic and contribute regularly. He is very impressed with your have-a-go attitude. Your growth mindset is fantastic. Mr. Locke said to me, Ben will just have a go. He's not worried if he gets it wrong. He's not worried if he might not be right, but he has a go. And that really shows a good growth mindset attitude, Ben, because you need to know if it's wrong, don't you? There's nothing wrong with getting it wrong. It shows that you're learning. And in 6V, we have another boy, beginning with B again. It's Brendan. And Miss Vladdy has said, you work extremely hard and you're very active during your live lessons. You are enthusiastic and answer questions, and you share your good quality work. So well done, Brendan. And well done, everyone. And like I said, if you didn't get a badge today, it doesn't mean that you haven't been noticed and recognised. You all have been fantastic, and we can't wait to see you soon. Keep up the hard work for just a week and a bit, and I will see you very soon. Bye.